Welcome to the Egyptian way to prepare Renga, herring. Discover why this smoked herring is Egypt's favorite, especially during the spring. Renga is a cherished smoked herring delicacy in Egypt, traditionally enjoyed during festival and spring. Carefully passes the fish over an open flame until the skin pops, unlocking rich flavors. Watch as the skin crisps and puffs, a sign that the Renga is perfectly smoked and ready for the next step. Step 2. The cleaning. Removing the skin and spine reveals the prized roe, considered a gourmet treasure. The roe, rich in flavor and a prized part of the Renga experience. The fish is mixed with tahini, onion, green and colored pepper, tomato, fresh lemon, and olive oil to balance the saltiness and add creamy zest. These ingredients create a harmonious flavor blend, enhancing the smoked Renga's taste while mellowing its salt content. Nutrition Spotlight. Renga Nutrition Facts. 100 grams of Renga provides 180 to 210 calories, 18 to 25 grams of high-quality protein, and about 1,500 milligrams of omega-3 fats that support heart and brain health. Additional nutrients include vitamin B12 at 14 micrograms, 500% plus daily value for nerve and blood health, and vitamin D at 4.2 micrograms, 40% daily value for strong bones. Key nutrient highlights: omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, vitamin B12 support. Watch sodium intake. Health tip: Renga is a superfood but high in sodium, so enjoy it with plenty of water and green onions to aid balance. Summary: enjoy Renga, rich in culture, flavor, and nutrition. Share warm kitchen moments with icons highlighting omega-3, protein, and sodium balance.